Good evening and welcome to the January RMCTC Virtual Open House. My name is Lisa Hughes and I am a PA Certified Work-Based Learning Coordinator. That is important to know because when your son and daughter comes to RMCTC and goes out into the workforce in a career that they love, you want it to be a program that is PA sponsored and follows school to work guidelines. That protects our school, but it also protects your student and makes sure your student stays safe in the workforce. We offer many opportunities here at RMCTC in work-based learning. Let me show you some. So we offer opportunities in job shadows, internships, clinics, and co-op. This is a little bit of a look at a glance at all of the different areas we offer. If you notice, all of our level students can participate in one or all of these opportunities. There's Job Shadow, which is the basic form of work-based learning. We also have internships, clinical, and also co-op opportunities. If you look down these columns, you can pause this video and look down about what the different areas are and what the different opportunities are for the different levels of students. Most of these areas do require clearances on the employer's part, which keeps our school and your student safe on the workforce. We offer interview days at local businesses. Right now, we're offering them via Zoom, but when we come back to school on site, we offer them on site as well. If you notice, I'm going to move my picture. We offer lots of opportunities in lots of different areas with lots of local businesses. These are just some of the local businesses we participate and partnership with. We also give opportunities for students who are actually working in their field right now, and we can reach out to those businesses as well. We do offer summer internship between the junior and senior year when students have a little bit of experience in their field. It is paid and it does have a bonus at the end. It's 8 weeks and it is in their junior year of their schooling here at RMCTC. We have lots of goals for our programs, which is to provide a great experience for students and encourage them to work in a career field in the Berks County area or even beyond. Let me show you some pictures of some of the students and where they're working at right now in our RMCTC careers. So do what you love. Become a part of the RMCTC team. Students right now in high school are earning up to $17.55 an hour while they're still here at RMCTC. They get high-paid careers upon graduation with no college debt. You have a choice here, which is wonderful. You can choose to come here and upon graduation go out and get a career and start work. You can come here and choose to go right on to college, or you can choose to come here and go out in the workforce and actually work and go to college and let the employer pay for your work. Please feel free to contact me at any point in time at rmctc.org, at lhughes@rmctc.org, or at my phone number, which is 610-921-7337. Have a great virtual open house and hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye now.